Hi there! In this video, I'm going to walk you through the virtual reality controls for experiences created by Futurice. This tutorial is for the Pico Neo 3 controllers. If you are using a Quest 2 or another headset, the controls will be fairly similar, but keep in mind that there may be some slight differences. So with that, let's get started. Locate the Pico button on the top face of the controllers. Short press this button on the left and right controller to power them on. You will see your virtual hands in the headset indicating they are ready to go. To teleport around your environment, move the joystick forward and release. Move the joystick left or right to turn. To grab objects in the virtual world, press the grip button, located on the underside of the controller near your middle finger. Some simulations will include a menu with additional information. To access the menu, press the primary button located on the top face of the controllers. A on the right controller and X on the left controller. To make a selection, press the trigger button, located on the underside of the controller near your index finger. Those are the main controls that you'll need in order to move around and complete tasks in the Pico Neo 3 headset. Thanks for watching.